Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for clicking onto this video. Welcome to my channel if you are new. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. I hope that this video is returning you guys in great health and strength, filled with God's richest love, His joy, His peace, His happiness, and all of the amazing and wonderful things that life has to offer. So this video is going to be a cooking vlog video. It's just me sharing a dish that I made for my mom and I for lunch today. By the time you see this video, it will be not today, which is Monday, September 27th. I hope that you will enjoy this cooking video, and let me know if you want more videos like this from me. I'm gonna try to do them vlog style, I don't know, but let me know if you enjoyed it and if you want more content like this from me. I wouldn't oblige to do it. If you are interested in what equipment I used, I filmed everything on my phone. I wanted to use my camera, but both of them needed to be charged, and I'm like, well, let me just use my phone. So yeah, it's a very quick and simple meal. So if you are not that good of a cook, listen, I am not that good of a cook, but we can learn. You can learn something from me and I can learn something from you, right? So I hope that you will enjoy this video. If you haven't checked out my other videos, please feel free to do so. Go ahead and check them out. I have all kinds of videos on this channel. So without further ado, let's get into this vlog style cooking video. I made some tasty, nice, juicy, splendiferous juicy macaroni noodles and Italian sausage. Very simple. Enjoy the video. All right, bye. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this tasty pasta and Italian sausage dish. It took about 30 to 40 minutes to make, so it's pretty easy and pretty straightforward. So I hope you will enjoy the video. I'm just adding some salt to the water and then adding the noodles so that it will give it a little flavor, and I let it boil until it was soft to my liking. And then you don't want to cover the pot too much. You want to cover it just a little bit so that it won't spill over, just like this. Alright, so while the macaroni is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and cut up these sausages. And if you're interested in this particular one, I picked it up at BJ's wholesale food place. So yeah, Idols Italian style. I love to cook. Once I'm in the mood to cook, you can't get me to not cook. And one of the things that I love about cooking, and I learned about cooking, is prepping your stuff. So whilst you're waiting for one thing to be done, you cut up all of your seasonings and all that fancy stuff so that it will cut down on the cooking time. Yeah. Alright, so here's a quick rundown of everything that I will be putting in the sauce or the stew for the macaroni. Okay? Some garlic, fresh one, and I have this one here that you saw in my last video. I have some bell peppers, all colors except for green, onions. This is some cut up thick leaf thyme. If you're Guyanese, you know what that is. Scallions, ginger, the sausage. I have some thyme right here. I will be putting some Italian dressing in there, some black pepper, Excuse my ashy hands. I am working with water, some salt, some Worcestershire sauce, Maggi. You can get this at Walmart, okay? Some aji. Y'all know aji got to go in the pot for it tastes good. This is Chinese spice. This is completely optional. If you don't have it, it's fine. And I'm going to be using some, this is called the kasrip. So this is what we use in Guyana when we are making pepper pot. I'm going to be using this to make a nice sauce. If you don't have this, that's fine. You can use soy sauce. You can use Chinese sauce, soy sauce or Chinese sauce, or I believe the Jamaican browning. The noodles are all done, so as you can see, I'm just straining it into the sink, getting all that water out and all that fancy stuff. Now I'm just pouring it into the bowl. Then I'm gonna put some butter in it. I like to do it when it's hot so that it will melt. Stir it in there, and then I set it aside whilst I create the sauce for it. Here's a quick tip for all of my cookers out there. Listen, if you want to cut down on kitchen time, as you use your dishes, wash them as you go. So by the time you're done cooking, you have nothing to wash or clean. This is the fun part, time to make the sauce. So I use olive oil to cook with, and now I'm going to start with my opening ingredients. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I like to start with my garlic and my ginger. And I like to stir that and let that saute for a couple of minutes. Then I want to go ahead, or then I will be adding the my other seasonings. So I'm going to be adding that thick leaf thyme. Then I'm going to add some onions. I'm going to add some scallions, and I'm going to add some of the bell peppers. I'm going to add some of this Maggi right there. That helps to just give this saute a little flavor. Whenever I'm cooking, I don't like to use specific measurements. I like to eyeball everything. So yeah, if you need specific measurements, I won't be able to do that. I just like to go by the taste. All right, so I added my sausages. Now I'm adding some Worcestershire sauce, which is so good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add that kasrip. This is to give it that brown, nice, juicy color that I would want. And you can't add too much of this because it will make your food bitter. Alright, so now that I added all of my little ingredients, I'm gonna let that cook for a couple of minutes. Then I always have a pot of hot water on the next burner whenever I'm cooking, so that when I have to do stuff like this, I don't use cold water. The hot water helps to keep the cooking momentum going. And yeah, I learned that from my mom, who learned that from her mom. So that's a good tip to share with you guys. Alright guys, so whatever vegetable seasonings I had left over, I just went ahead and added all of it to the pot as it simmered down. As you can see, you can, if you're going to follow this recipe, you can either do the same thing that I'm doing, or you can just put the rest of the seasonings up. And I also added about 2 what we pepper to the pot as well. Now for the final step, it's time to add the sauce to the noodles. And as you can see, that's what I'm doing. I'm just adding some of it at a time, and then I'm mixing everything in. I just want to make sure that all of the noodles get the sauce and it's mixed in properly, so that everything will look really nice and nothing will be pasty or white or anything like that. So that's pretty much it. This is pretty much the end of the video. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this quick cooking vlog and you will try it out. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at that. So yummy. I can't eat that right now because I recently pulled a tooth out and I gotta hold off on solid foods for the time, but that looks so good. Anyway, thank you for watching. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you'll try it out. If you do, please leave a comment down below. I'm gonna leave my Instagram. If you try it out, tag me. If you post a picture, let me see. Yeah, and subscribe, and I will see you in another video very, very soon. God bless you, and take care of your wonderful selves and your family. Stay safe and stay prayed up. All right, that's me just eating my dinner, saying my prayers first, and then eating. All right, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. God bless you.